Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam IFM, investments in financial markets. An investor contacts her broker to enter into 5 long futures contracts on bushels of corn. Each contract is for the delivery of 5,000 bushels. The current futures price is $2.40 per bushel. The initial margin is $2,000 per contract. The maintenance margin is $1,500 per contract. Calculate the futures price of corn at which the investor could withdraw exactly $2,000 from the margin account. And here's the solution. So 5 contracts for 5,000 bushels total 25,000 bushels. The current futures price is $2.40 per bushel for a total futures price for 25,000 bushels for the entire position of 25,000 times 240, that's 60,000. The investor posts initial margin of 5 times 2,000, so 10,000. Following that, maintenance margin is 5 times 1,500, so 7,500. The investor will be able to withdraw exactly 2,000 from the margin account when the margin account balance exceeds a required maintenance margin by exactly 2,000, so when margin account balance is 9,500. The first time such withdrawal can happen is at the end of the first day of trading, and the margin account will have a balance of 9,500 exactly if a loss of 500 exactly occurs during that day, causing the margin account balance to go from 10,000 initial balance to 9,500. For that loss to be produced, futures price must decrease by 500 divided by 25,000, so 2 cents. Thus, the futures price must be 2.38. I may comment that the solution published by the Casualty Actuarial Society assumes that 2,000 withdrawn must come from a gain, but the problem doesn't say that, so in my humble opinion, this is the way it should be approached, and that's answer A. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from the Casualty Actuarial Society. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.